Hi, my name's Carl, and I'm gonna... My name's Carl. Hi. Hi, my name's... Welcome to Super Kid Universe. I'm Becca. Here at Super Kid Universe, we believe kids can cook. One of my favorite meals to cook is creamy chicken taquitos. This is a great meal for kids to make, but it does have some cutting. So make sure you have adult supervision, but most of it is just mixing. No, we love taquitos, so we double the recipe. Here's what you'll need. 8 ounces cream cheese, ½ cup green salsa, 2 tablespoons fresh lime juice, 1 teaspoon cumin, 2 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, ½ teaspoon garlic powder, 6 tablespoons chopped cilantro, 4 tablespoons sliced green onions, 4 cups shredded cooked chicken, 2 cups grated cheese, small flour or corn tortillas, salt, and cooking spray or olive oil. Make sure the mixing bowl you choose is microwave safe, because the first thing we'll do is soften the cream cheese. Microwave safe is usually glass or some kinds of plastic. If you use the wrong kind of plastic, it could melt. And if it's metal, it could spark and start a fire. Today, I'm using glass. Let's get started! We'll start by heating the cream cheese in the microwave for 20 to 30 seconds so it's soft and easy to stir. Once it's soft, add it to a bowl with the green salsa. For the lime juice, we'll juice some limes. If you have one of these, you would put the lime, half the lime in the green one because it's a lime, and so you put it in like that. You bring it over to the bowl and you push down. It's hard to see. Now add the cumin, chili powder, onion powder, and garlic powder. Now stir to combine. Next add the cilantro and green onions. A fast way for cooking chicken is frozen chicken in an Instant Pot. Add the chicken, and then the cheese, and then use a fork to combine. Now we'll get a baking sheet and start filling the tortillas. Place about 2 to 3 tablespoons of chicken mixture in the middle of the tortilla, and it helps if you cup it in your hand. Try to keep the mixture about 1 inch from the edges. Next, roll up the tortilla and place it seam down on the baking sheet. Once the tray is full, take a brush and lightly coat the top with oil. Then sprinkle with salt. Now place the pan in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. When they're done, let them cool, and then they're ready for eating. Thanks for watching Super Kid Universe. We'll see you next time.